In arid and semi-arid areas like this one in Baringo, pastoralists graze beef cattle over community lands. Most of the Kenya's red meat comes from areas like this. Over the years, pastoralists have changed the way they live and manage their lands, which has led to less pastures. And now, climate change is only making matters worse. That is why I've come to meet Ken Otieno, the Executive Director of Resource Conflict Institute, Reconcile, although I'm not quite sure where he is. Ken is here to tell us on how to manage rangelands and how this can help communities restore their shared pastures. Managing rangelands aims to bring these degraded lands back to full health. This cactus, for example, is an invasive species, and they are smothering the native plants. There's Ken.
So now, what are rangelands?
Rangelands are these dry spaces. They support pastoralism as the main livelihood system.
Why are they important?
They're important, one, because in Kenya, 80% is basically dry areas, and they support a production system, which is livestock. And two, they are also important for wildlife conservation and management. They demonstrate the total ecological coexistence, where you'll find livestock, you'll find people all together.
What are the benefits of rangeland management so far?
Very many. One, you'd see that they can rehabilitate degraded rangelands. Now communities have learned that they can remove all these invasive species. They can do reseeding, have more grass in places that they've identified. But also farmers have identified the importance of collective work, but also taking up as individual farmers so that they do it in their small private farms, but also look at the bigger well-being of rangelands, because rangelands consists of livestock, people, and environment.
Are the communities in harmony now?
Management together in a planned way allows cohesion and also peace and security, especially in places where there's a lot of competing interests.
Very interesting. Now Ken is going to take me to see some of the benefits of rangeland management.